This episode will cover engine exhaust and reverser systems. What are two general types of exhaust systems in use on reciprocating aircraft engines? Their short stack system and the collector system. What are two types of reciprocating engine exhaust systems? The short stack system and collector system. What are the possible hazards of exhaust system failure? It can result in carbon monoxide poisoning of the crew and passengers, or partial or complete loss of engine power and an aircraft fire. What type of exhaust system is generally used on low-powered, non-supercharged engines? The short stack system. What type of exhaust system is used on turbocharged engines? The exhaust collector system. What type of exhaust system creates a higher exhaust back pressure? The collector system. What is the purpose of a reciprocating engine exhaust system? It is used to remove heat and noxious gases from the engine nacelle. What removes noxious gases and heat? A reciprocating engine exhaust system. What are three components of an exhaust augmenter system? Bell mouth, sleeve, and vanes. What happens when lead, zinc, or galvanized marks are made on exhaust systems? The mark is absorbed by the metal when heated and causes a change in the molecular structure that weakens the metal. What type of visual indication can usually be seen in the area of an exhaust leak? Exhaust leaks usually leave flat gray or sooty black carbon streaks on the pipes in the area of the leak. How are ceramic-coated exhaust stacks cleaned? By the degreasing method only. What is the usual cause of muffler and heat exchanger failures? They are usually caused by concentrated areas of thermal stress or vibration stress. What is the most common form of damage in exhaust systems? Cracks are the result of repeated expansion and contraction. What should be the position of the wastegate when starting an engine? Fully open. Where are exhaust manifolds and stack failures most likely to occur? These failures usually occur at welds, flanges, or clamped points in the system. What is a common cause of the wastegate unit malfunctioning in a turbocharged system? The most common cause of wastegate malfunction is carbon buildup, coke buildup, causing the wastegate valve to stick in the closed position. What factors are affected if the area of the exhaust nozzle of a turbine engine is changed? The size of the exhaust nozzle affects both the engine performance and the exhaust gas temperature. Why are reverse thrusters not normally used during ground operations? The danger of blowing foreign objects up into the intake stream is too great. What are the probes in a turbine exhaust pipe used for? They are used to measure exhaust gas temperature and pressure. Why do you disassemble and inspect a collector type exhaust? Exhaust system failure can result in carbon monoxide poisoning of crew and passengers. What is the purpose of the wastegate on a turbocharged exhaust? This valve controls the amount of exhaust gases forced through the turbocharger turbine. When the gate is fully closed, all gases must pass through the turbine. Name 2 types of thrust reversers. They are mechanical blockage type and aerodynamic blockage type. Can a thrust reverser deliver 100% of engine power? No. What reference do you use when cleaning and inspection propellers for cracks? The Propeller Maintenance Manual. What material is used to make exhaust system muffler shrouds? Stainless steel. What drawback in using collector type exhaust systems is more than offset when used on turbocharged engines? The loss of horsepower due to exhaust system back pressure. Why are turbocharged exhaust system leaks very damaging at high altitudes? Pressure differential will cause the leak to escape with torch-like intensity. What are the components of a typical turbine exhaust nozzle? A tail cone, exhaust duct, and support struts. What do you use to mark turbine engine blades? Layout die or chalk. What are 2 categories of thrust reversers? Clamshell and cascade.